Hello from Slovenia again. I have some reds and gold and black and white cell activator here and some strings because I have an idea to do kind of a string pull with cell activator. Cell activator is Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian floetrol, and all the other paints are mixed with my pouring medium. So with this technique you don't want to have a lot of paint for your background, because when you do a string pulls or chain pulls, if you have too much paint for a background, it kind of don't work so nice. This is my opinion. I don't know. I'm really not an expert for these techniques, but we have a collaboration with Mossy Art Studio. Yesterday we published our premieres, and Jeremy from Mossy Art Studio did some chain pull, and I don't know, I just thought to myself, I will play with the string today, because this is similar technique. String pull, chain pull, you use just different things to pull, and I will do a feather. A feather is a symbol of, kind of symbol of peace too, so we need some peace these days in our lives because of all the things that are happening. So I'm smoothing this out. It will self-level later too, but it's always nice if you help your paint a little bit with that part too. I can do my sides later. I'll just try to spread a little of this black that flows off the sides. Okay. So I will torch this first because I see a lot of air bubbles. And I will just use this pyrrole red just to draw kind of a line, and Pebeo iridescent precious gold, and this will be it. I will just do this. So I have to cut this in half, and I will add some cell activator here on the string. It's a yarn, but anyway. So let's put this down. not like a feather at all. Let's grab another yarn. Okay. So let me grab a short string and a little white just on there. Just correct this part a little bit. Okay. And I need a little more paint here. Okie dokie. I'm not quite happy with this part. See? No, I can't do much, probably. Try just to drag some lines through here. break those lines that okay, a little better I think. So let me take you down for a close-up. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I didn't do a great job with this feather. This part is so weird. I love this part more than that part, so half, so but this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.